Howdy folks, I know you don't see nothing, but neither do I. It's 5:20 in the morning, I'm a little bit late. I wanted to be out in open water by now. And it's still windy, they said no wind tonight, but it's still windy. There is 7-8 miles per hour wind, and it's west wind, and it's still too much for open water. My boat is just not open water boat. But I do see more and more fish in the harbor, and they're deeper in the harbor. So if the weather is bad, I would not feel bad to troll only in the harbor. But okay, we'll see if I catch anything. I gotta go back on the front to watch out what's going on with my ridiculously bright headlamp, because I'd have no other light forward. Yes, that's a salmon. But is it still here? Oh man, it didn't stick. God damn it, it didn't stick. Wow, on the same lure that I got it before. I put new hooks from another. These hooks are really sharp. These hooks are really sharp. Yes. Finally. Slow down a little bit. Yeah. I have a lot of line. Oh boy. Feels good too.
Trying to avoid boats here. I think he will go left. So maybe. I can reel on this rod here. Maybe not even a reel, but just put it over here. Yeah. It's still on. Man, feels good. Feels like a carp. Feels heavy and it's not jumping. It's catching up with me. I want him to get tired before he comes here to avoid a lot of... Yeah, he's catching up. He's almost in front of the boat now. He's running faster than the boat. Yeah. You know, I always slow down the boat to almost to a stop just so I can enjoy the fight. Otherwise, the boat is pulling the fish, not you. Okay, it's time to start worrying about the net. Of course, I don't have the net ready, because last time I had the net ready. Soft drag. Let me soften the drag even more. Last time I had the net ready and didn't get a bite. First time I didn't have the net ready and I got a bite. Now call me superstitious, but I didn't get the net ready on purpose. I thought if I get a fish, I'll worry about it then. Let's worry about crossing that bridge. See, now the fish is in front of me. That fish ran a long distance. It's in front of me now. Ooh. Oh my God, it's peeling line. That fish is a much better fight than the first one. Okay, let's try to land him over here on the front maybe. He's peeling line. He is not tired. This fish has a lot more energy than the first. A lot more energy than the first. I really want him to get tired before we start this netting business, so I don't get some kind of a heart attack here. I have good hooks and very strong line. He's all the way there. This fish is not tired. Still not tired. Okay, that's why they say king salmon is a good fight. My first fish was not a good fight. I mean, it was okay, but still so much energy. Even though it's much darker fish. I don't know how people catch these. Oh my God, he is hooked so bad. I got him, folks. I got him. Whoa! He's big, he's big, he's big. He's big. I'm gonna reel my other lines and let him get tired before I begin the removal of treble hooks from the net, which is entire dip, its own business. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna miss the Great Lakes, man. It's just gorgeous. Oh yeah, and this too. Show me your mouth. Yep, here's my foot. That's a 3-foot fish. This is the lure, folks. Regular clown color. I don't need 3 trebles. I removed one of the trebles. I had to break this. I always have to, the only way to remove trebles from my net is to break them off and put new hooks. So I gotta put a new hook here now, but yeah, this is the lure. And this here is the fish. Darker than the other one, but still in good shape. Very happy with this one. Incredible fight.